going on, guys? I'm back, Hammerdown UTV, and we're going on a special trip. Going to pick up the Razor. Maxxedout Motorsports headed. As far as you guys know from the video, Heroes on the Dunes. I broke my ankle. Separate thing. So it's been a little journey. 3 broken bones, plate, 8 screws forever. So starting to learn how to walk in, but we're semi back, about 50-50. But I'll pick up the Razor and I'm gonna go shred this weekend with James, and I also got a little something in the back too. Got a buddy of mine that's going to Maxxedout Motorsports as well. Getting some street legal kit put on. If you guys are looking for street legal stuff, they are the people to go to. Everything's legit on it. You don't have to worry about not having the right parts. They're the people to go to for sure. So I'll try our journey to go pick up my Razor and be shredding the dunes this weekend.
We are 53 minutes away from our location, so we'll also video when we get there and they're picking up the Razor. Yeah. Don't know if the owners are going to be out. If they are, we'll try to get an interview with them. Yeah. Try to break down what they basically do and stuff like that, but we'll see.
So as far as if you guys didn't know, my primary exploded. Kind of the only thing on the Pro XP is the P90X clutch. Also Turbo S if you do have the 21 and up. So it pretty much blew up and then lodged a couple pieces in the secondary, blew out the housing too for the clutch. A lot of warranty work, good thing for a warranty, that's all covered. So got some good upgraded parts to it so we don't have this issue again. But part of the game, man. It's everyone can say players or not. It's part of playing toys and off-road, so it's not gonna stop us. We're gonna keep on hammering down until we do.
So another thing too, guys, is yes, I'm on the back side of this camera right now, but we also did get hats made up.
Yes.
Nick is wearing one right now. Also, I am wearing one too. I will try to put the camera in it.
These are a special order. This is for me and James, but the one James is wearing is snapback. We have those for $20 plus a sticker.
Oh wait, glasses are on it. So these are the ones that we will order you guys. If you guys want one, let us know. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook. What are they, 20 bucks a piece?
Yep, 20 bucks plus a sticker. We got 4x4 stickers made up, so let us know. And then we're on to bigger things for next year. It's all on the planning. Figuring out some shirts and maybe jackets too, hoodies. Let us know, guys. We'll make them up. We'll figure it out. We got some designs we're thinking of. So
didn't that guy just pass us?
Yeah.
He's like up there somewhere. Yeah, it's out of focus. But anyways.
Yeah, it's almost time. I'm gonna shed a little bit of tear. It's been a long journey and waiting to have my baby back, so I'm ready.
Nick's finally get the Razor back after what, 2 months?
Yeah, 2 months, and 2 months or a month being out, not being able to walk, so yeah, I'm ready to rip.
Mainly on why the Razor was gone so long, it was mainly waiting on warranty people and trying to get that all figured out, but it really wasn't on the company. Yep. wasn't on Maxxedout. They did everything so fast.
They did their part. They could do it. It's all in the warranty. You got to get it adjusted. So, and then mainly with my foot too, I was not able to walk at all for easily 3 weeks. So I was on crutches for the longest time, and so just starting to able to walk again and be able to function. So there's a couple side by sides. Going the wrong way though. Ain't going to Silver Lake. So trout ride is coming soon. We have some things in the works for October, and then a little bit in November too. We're still gonna ride. We're gonna ride some snowflies, and then once snowflies, snowmobiles come out. So
yeah. So you guys will also get content on snowmobiles too. So just not side by sides.
Yeah, we do a little everything around here. So. Yeah, we'll do some videos once the sleds get ready. Still doing some little maintenance on them, getting them ready for the season. So
yeah, maybe you guys will get some little videos on that to keep you guys occupied when we're not riding.
Yeah, figure something out. We got plans. This is just a start of Hammerdown UTV for sure. We're trying to go as big as we can. So and expand the group. So
yeah, I mean, other people that want to join us. I mean, we'd like it, but it's usually just me and Nick. But other people that we know that we're good friends with, will also be considering it.
Yeah, I mean, we're always looking for people to ride, so hit us up for sure. Instagram, Facebook. Oh, we are here. You want to pick this bad girl up?
I'm trying not to show the house that much, but Yeah, the signs over there for it. Nice little setup they have here. Like back in the trailer. Let's see how well he does. Alright, not too bad. He only had to pull forward once.
Can't see with these mirrors, and these F-150s nowadays are too small.
God, tiny. Fucking tiny.
Oh, Mustang wheels.
Oh, there we go. There's a... Oh, shit. They got it lit up, but I tried to get it. I'll get it when we leave out of here. But we are here, picking up Nick's side-by-side. Hopefully he got a nice little bath for you, too.
Yeah, not too long.
Alright.
What's going on, guys? We're at Silver Lake now. And a beautiful Saturday morning. Gonna be a nice hot one, around 70. See what this thing does. I can't wait. Did a good rip session out here.
Did you leave your clutch cover off?
Yeah.
Well, it's filling up with some gas right now, guys, and we'll be going out here shortly to start ripping. Remember, aftermarket assassins.
That's right.
Also, me and Nick both run rugged radios. We both, of course mine's not out here, but we do have walkie-talkies to be able to cut a car with each other when we're out here. It's like really focused right now. Make sure you get every drop.
Oh yeah, gotta get that Primo, you know. Gotta love it, $4 a gallon.